Hello guys and girls from the Blue Oval Car Barn in Mineral Wells, Texas. Come see us someday. We're right west of Fort Worth in Mineral Wells, right next to the Baker Hotel and underneath the Crazy Water sign. Bring your club, bring your friends. Give us a call, 940-736-0941, or reach us on the web at www.1971mustangs.com. If you're going to bring some people or come from a distance, make sure we're here. Today we're going to talk about some cars, how we start. This is a pewter 1971 Boss 351 that's just come out of metalwork. In about a year and a half, 2 years, it'll be on the showroom floor. This will be a pewter Boss 351. Then we have a very rare car here. We have a 1971 429 Super Cobra Jet Mach 1. This is a J-code Ram Air car with a 411 Detroit locker. This is going to be a stunning car. It's going to be black. It's going to have a white Mach 1 interior in it. It's going to be beautiful. In a little over a year, this car will be on the showroom floor. Currently, we have a black one just like it there, but it has black interior. We come to you today from our parts room where we stock all the 1971 Mustang parts that we use in our restorations. Be glad to help you. You know, we give advice. We help people with 71 issues. Give us a call if we can help you from the Blue Oval Car Barn in Mineral Wells, Texas. This is going to be a stunner. Don't miss it about a year from today. Thank you very much from Mineral Wells, Texas and the Blue Oval Car Barn.